Alright, yo, what's up guys, and this is Kenyo's right here, and I want to take you through a trip I had at Murchison Falls National Park, which is in Uganda. And you've always heard that Uganda is the pearl of Africa, and man, I kid you not, this was actually wonderful. So this is me, I've already landed, and then we are setting off to go to the Murchison Falls National Park. It's actually a long drive, and you'll see everything. I may not speak through the rest of the video because I want you all to just enjoy and to just watch. Yeah, that is me and my fam. We are going to enjoy, and yes, yeah, so it's actually kind of a long video because this is a travel video. I've always been doing like dance videos, so subscribe, follow, like, share and comment, and for more videos like this I'll actually upload. But I do most of the dancing, and then when I travel I'll always provide you guys with these videos. Thank you, peace out.